What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here on O1? I'm going to go through capital.com and NEMEX as well in a very short while. So price gave us a big pullback and quickly pushed back up. Now again, we are still not bearish, and this is just a pullback, could be some reaction, but at this point we can still get a possible triple bottom. We already have one bottom, two bottom, and triple minor bottom pattern. That is a very likely chance we might get. If we have that, that will be a condition that price will likely to bounce up again from here. I want to see a break above this high towards a minor level to see a continuation towards the upside. So that is why I want to see a break above this high, then a pullback entry bullish to keep on taking long trades. We have a bullish pressure, strong bullish pressure. Price is failing to break below this previous low. So that is why I'm still not looking for any bearish trades as long as we are above this previous low. Again, the major double bottom is still in the play. For that, the price needs to push down to this rejection area for me to look for a valid double bottom major pattern. Otherwise, this is a minor double bottom at the level of support. In that case, if we have that, actually it's triple bottom. We already have 1 and 2 bottoms here. Once we have that, that will be a signal that price will likely to push up. And if we have that, that will be a risky but a valid entry. In that case, I'll keep my stop loss below this pattern, take profit. I'll go 1 to 1 initially once we have a double bottom. Otherwise, if we have no condition here, I'll wait for the price to break above this high. Only then I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish till minor level and then a major level above, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. The price pushing up steadily but slowly, but eventually I'm still expecting a price to push higher as long as we are not broken below this previous low. So price is pushing up, and as you can see, price also has 2 touches of a trend line right here. 1, 2, and there could be another push down and a touch before the price will steadily push higher in all 3 platforms, as you can see right here. Again, conditions are very important. We are only going to take our trades with conditions. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Here on capital.com, the price is still above 50 EMA, not broken, closed below 50 EMA. So for that, I still want to see a break above this high, then a pullback, then a possible bullish engulfer to take my long trades till the level above right here, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. So otherwise, I'm just waiting for the price to either give me a condition above this high or a possible minor double bottom, which I've just mentioned on Oanda platform. Otherwise, this is the major double bottom. That is something I'll still look if we have no condition and the price dramatically push down for the possible push up. So only looking for buy trades above this high or at double bottom area with conditions only. Here on NEMEX, still the same, break above from this high with a pullback, and only then I'm going to go long for this trade. So once we have a condition above this high, doesn't matter if we have this level, but I want to see a valid pullback entry bullish, a complete bullish engulfer like this, but a valid bullish engulfing pattern. Once we have that, we are good to go long. Otherwise, this is a minor area from where we can expect a possible push up out of. So not selling as long as we are above this level, which I've already mentioned in my weekends and yesterday's video. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now pushed down. As mentioned from the last 2 to 3 videos, that price will likely to break below this low. If that happens, we are looking at this level. Let's see what I've said in my last video. But we are broken below this little range and a kind of triangle pattern. Now at this point, we have a very likely chance the price is going to push down to my anchor level right here. 2465 goes to 2479.06, from where we can expect another bounce out of it. Nice one. So after the break, right from this triangle pattern, we are a sell condition right here, and now price has pushed down. Now it is a level from where I'm expecting a bounce out of. Now that could be a good bounce, but we have a hurdle of 50 EMA. If we are broken above, only then price will likely to push up. We are still in the range right here. This is just a range, but in this range we can see some push up and push down, and unless the price break above this high for the trend continuation. Otherwise, we are now in an area of value which is right here, previous level of resistance that has now become support. If we have a bullish engulfer here or a pin bar here, in that case we can expect at least 1 ATR bounce, which is at this point $11. We'll see what the current ATR is at the entry candle. So wait for that. I'm expecting a bounce from this area right here. But if broken below this level, which is 2465, if we are broken and closed, it's very important. In that case, we'll start to look for bearish trades only. Here on silver, just pullback entry bearish like I mentioned. I'm only going to take sell trades if we have a pullback below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfing pattern exactly like this. If we have that, we're good to go short till here, till this level right here. 25.57 goes to 26.54 from where we can start to look for the buying opportunities with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry conditions. So only pullback entry bearish for silver. Lastly, we have crude oil. It's now broken below the level of minor support and now pushing down towards the major level of support, which is 67.52 goes to 69.64 from where we can start to look for the buy trades. Now at this point, as we are broken below the zone, but I'm going to give you one condition, which is my Fibonacci entry condition. Now that's on 1 hour time frame, not on 4 hours. So from here you can pull up your Fibonacci tool, something like this. As you can see, 50% has been triggered right here. That's a pullback and my sell limit order, and now expecting a price to push down to 1.618 retracement at least, which is 70.39. from where we can expect some bounce and then a continuation towards this level, which is a very likely chance. That is something on 1 hour time frame. Now, if you're someone who want to look for the extra confluence, a good entry condition for that, just a pullback below 50 EMA anyway, followed by bearish engulfing pattern, and we're going to go short using 1 ATR for the target. So that is what I'll be looking at. These are two conditions now. I'll be looking at aggressive entry on 1 hour and less aggressive entry, which is a pullback entry bearish on 4 hour time frame. Whatever you feel according to your risk appetite. Now the zone below that has been broken. It is right here, 72.24 goes to 73.11. That is zone I'm using for the possible pullback. If we have a bearish engulfer from this zone or double top, in that case price will also likely to push down. So only bearish trade, but expect a pullback and correction out of crude oil. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.